Hello and welcome to another passenger seat pod vlog. I'm Becca and today me and Peggy and Jamie in Wyvern and my family and some friends are going to a little local car meet, so I thought I'd bring you guys along with us. It's a bit of a rainy day, so we'll see how many people make it out that way, but it's run by a local classic car restoration people at a lovely pub down by the river, and so it makes for usually some nice photos and a nice backdrop and an opportunity to meet some cool people as well. Quick stop for fuel. Jamie conveniently forgot his wallet, so guess who's going in and paying for both tanks of fuel? It's me. All paid for, let's go. £67. We've made it, we're all parked up despite the weather. There are some cars here, so let's go have a look and see what we can find. So we've got Peggy, over here an E-Type next to Wyvern, another Morris Minor here, familiar little Renault 5, that's gorgeous. It's been good if they'd have got the 500 part next to that. That looks fun. BGT over there, 2CV. Some people still sheltering from the rain in their cars, but it has stopped now, so we timed it well to arrive, and if we were running a bit late. There's Mum and Dad's Lulu. They were sat in that when we arrived and they've clambered out now. Interesting VW van over there. And then this is the latest lineup. So Ford, I really like this little Citroen Visa, and another 2CV that I believe is parked on a bit of an angle.
Showing off in his windows.
Well, that's how we had to talk to the guy at the door, I imagine.
Oh, I'm in that. Oh no, what a disaster.
I've just seen something very exciting pull in, and we're gonna head over to it and see if the rest of the internet is pretty pleased about this as well. Saw one of these at the NEC yesterday. Spinning round. There it is. An Aventine in the wild. Don't know if it came along because it knew stuff was on, but parked next to my friend's Renault 5. Little Renault gathering now. Now over here, Avantine's over there, but I've just spotted this on my walk back. Great number plate, which has inspired the name of this little Mini. Got a camper van here that wasn't here earlier, and I think we saw this pulling in, D-type replica with a very interesting custom roof setup, which was needed today for sure. Looks very cool, and has even got a little bit of boot space.
They've got a Facebook page, so I just shared it on my Facebook page.
So this is just pulled up and parked next to Peggy and Wyvern now that some of the other cars have left, and it's a very familiar car to me actually. If you remember the very first video way back, nearly 2 years ago now, I mentioned that I was looking at Triumph Heralds when I was looking to buy Peggy, and this is actually the Triumph Herald that I was interested in because it's the estate and everything. And so I've just got to meet the owners that bought it, and they absolutely love it. And he owns a GT6, and this is her rust box, she calls it, but it's lovely to see it and to know that it's loved, even though it wasn't the car for me. And nice to see it actually parked next to Peggy, what I actually ended up with, and next to Jamie's Triumph. But yeah, really unusual to see an estate. This is an estate, not a courier, which is what it's made to look like with the back windows. But yeah, really lovely inside as well. He's done quite a lot of work on it since he got it, but equally left it in a nice usable state. So it's got a little bit quieter here at the Cars and Coffee Meet, and it's got a bit cold, so we're going to head off and get some food now at a little local chip shop with Jamie in Wyvern and Reese and Dom in Remy. So see you there.
Yeah, they do get soggy.
Yeah. Probably because they're cooked and then they're just left to cool down and they just become soggy.
Do you get them in Grimsby's?
I don't know.